Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see, I am spreading slurry. I'm dribbling at the minute. So I was asked to do a video on how we blow out the pipes, so I'm just after giving the call to blow out the pipes. So sorry, what?
How is that job spreading now?
Spreading 100%, yeah.
That's what you see now, that's where it's about to.
Yeah, you have the pipe blowing the pipes, yeah?
You're on the road out, you're on the top.
Okay. Right, sorry about that. Now that's just the boss man. So when we start to blow the pipes, as you can see there, I still have a bit to spread. So roughly speaking, yeah, at the minute while we're down, I have 600 meters of piping down. So I try and guesstimate how much the 600 meters of slurry is going to do, so that I try not overlap it. It can be hit and miss, so hopefully now I have enough to do it all. So I'm on the blow at the minute and I'm dribbling, and one of the things, it's a bit foggy and inside now, but one of the things you have to remember when you're dribbling is that as soon as you get the air, that you knock off your macerator, otherwise you'll wear it down. Or even heard of people, it's season on people leaving it running, but I don't know how long they had it running dry. But that's something you always have to keep in the back of your mind. But what other things then as well, I find with the wagtail and the pipe now, you can't really see it behind me, so you can see, should just be able to see the pipe. You won't just see all of the wagtail, but something that happens when you when you get the air is if the pipe isn't pulled, if there's no pull on the pipe and you're just after turning or that, I find anyways that the pipe will start swinging the wagtail side to side. And at the minute I'm using a black pipe with the old bower clips, and they have a tendency of springing off, hence you can see some of the shit in the back windows. That's where that came from, the bower clip springing off on the blower. It's always a bit of a nuisance, so it's one of the things that I try and watch out for. So, and also something else that I tend to do, I find that if you just let it blow out through the dribble bar, that I find there's a lot more slurry in the pipes. It doesn't just seem to get as good a blowout, or a flush out. So what I tend to do, it's just, I can hear the slurry speeding up now, so it's nearly out. There's that little bit up there left to do. So one of the things I find, oh, there I am. Yeah, so that's it, just down now. It'll still push a bit of slurry through for a few seconds after you get it, but I find that if you just blow it out through the dribble bar, it doesn't clean out the pipe as good. So now once I have the air pressure, then turn off my macerator and I straighten out my pipe for rolling up. So that's the next job. And when I have my pipe straightened out, then I open up the splash plate to try and clean out the slurry out of the pipe. I just find it gives it a better clean out, and you'll get less slurry in the pipes when you try and roll up. So I suppose what we're blowing out with, it's a separate compressor, just a standard builder's compressor, that putting out, oh Christ, what is it, 150 psi it puts out into the pipe to blow it out. I think that's what it is. It's just a standard. It's not one of the ones that's hydraulically driven with the tractor or built into the pump. It's a separate, we tow it behind the pump. You probably might have seen it on some of my Snapchat videos. So that's it. This is just one of the videos that I was asked to do on the last lock. So that's really it. I hope this video answered your questions. I hope everyone else enjoyed it. So I'll just finish off this now. So the very last thing I do, once I got the blowout, I straighten out my pipe for rolling up, because you never really get it where you want it. But when you have air pressure, you can do whatever you want. Also, we find if you have to pull a pipe around a bit of a fence or a fence post, if you pull it with air, as in you have the pipes blew out and use the compressor to keep the pipe full and stop it from twisting, that because there's the lack of weight in the pipe, you're less likely to pull down any fences or anything. That's something else we find and we use quite a lot. So that's me now, back in the corner. So that's as straight as the pipe, or straight as I'm going to get for rolling up the pipe. You can't really see it behind me. Last thing I do then is open the splash plate to let off the pressure, call the boss to turn it off. So. Yeah, that's it, knock it off. So that's all there is to it. I hope that's answered your question. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions or anything like that, please hit me down in the comments down below. Yeah, that's it from me. That's it from me. Good luck.